Welcome to Tactical Arbitrage. In this video, we'll go through the options within the Notifications tab of the Settings page. As the name suggests, this tab manages the various alerts you can receive from the software. Within this tab, there are two main sections: Alert Methods and Auto Updates. First, in the Alert Methods section, you can enter the contact information for your alerts. Inputting the email address allows email notifications, while providing your phone number allows for SMS alerts. You can use the respective fields here to set up either or both. Below that, you will find options to turn them on. Please remember to also click the orange Save button to apply any changes. Next, you can set a specific time frame to mute SMS notifications. To enable this, turn on the toggle, then select your desired quiet hours and time zone. Right below that, you can enable sound notifications for your browser by simply toggling the switch. You also have the option to include a spreadsheet containing all added product data within your email notifications. Simply toggle this switch on to enable it. Under time limit notifications, there are two specific alerts you can toggle. You can be notified if a scan runs longer than a certain time frame, or if less than 15% of the time limit remains for any queued scans in your search history. To adjust timing and delivery method for these alerts, simply toggle on the settings next to them. Next, let's explore the Auto Update section, where you can enable auto updates for your saved list folders. Because product data changes frequently, keeping your stock and price information current is essential for effective analysis. To enable auto updates, toggle the switch on. Then, choose the folders you want to update and specify how many times per day Tactical Arbitrage should run the update. Once you have made your selections, click Save. You can also customize exactly when you get notified after an auto update. You can trigger alerts if a product exceeds a set ROI or gross profit threshold, if a product comes back in stock at the source, if it goes out of stock on Amazon, or if it exceeds a certain estimated monthly sales volume. Finally, you will find the option to use set discount values for auto updates, as well as an option to update positive ROI products immediately as they are added to the View Results page. That brings us to the end of our overview of the notification settings. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@tacticalarbitrage.com.